Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Tuesday, December 29th, 2020, and we are having some snow. This is the first snowstorm in my area, probably since last winter. First major snowstorm where there's gonna be actual snow on the ground. I don't think I did a snowstorm video at all last winter though, when it did snow, but I'm gonna do one now. So basically, this is what's projected to hit the area. It's currently 3:55. Basically until like 7 or 8 it's supposed to snow. And then it looks like it's gonna turn into rain. Cause I think pink is rain and snow mixed together, while green is rain, blue is snow. Yeah. So, hope you enjoy this snowstorm video. Alright, as you can see, it's snowing. It's pretty cold out here. You can see the snow coming down. You can see snow in the street. Yep. I think we had snow on Christmas morning, but I don't think it lasted. It probably was on the ground it wasn't too much to cover the ground, maybe a little bit, but it all melted fast. So yeah. But you can see the roofs of people's houses has snow on it. Cars are starting to get snow. And yeah. Anyways, I will keep you updated. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna go outside now and show you it. Yep. It's a little windy. snowing a little harder now, because earlier when it started snowing, it's been snowing, said it was snowing since like 2, but it didn't. I came outside, it didn't even look like it was snowing. It was maybe snowing really lightly though, but it's definitely snowing harder. Let's go to the street, record that. Yeah, definitely tell it's snowing. Jeez, look at this. Yeah, it's gonna get dark soon because it's a little after 4 and it gets dark at like 5. At like 4:30, sky will probably be pitch black by 5, so this is probably the best opportunity to see the snow coming down. Again, there will be more snow on the ground later, but oh crap, there's a car. Hopefully it's not turning, but crap. Okay, it's going slower. Sorry, didn't want that car to see me. I hope people don't see me recording their car. I'm not trying to, well, yeah, trying to record the snow on it, but yeah, snow. Look at that coming down. Yep, it's snowing even harder. It's basically the first snowstorm of the season. Usually it snows earlier, probably in like November is when it starts snowing, but it's like late December after Christmas, almost New Year's, and it's the first time we're seeing snow. Snow on the sidewalk. There's a car coming. Fucking shit. But yeah, just look at that. Jeez, it's coming down hard now. Now let's go back to the street. George, people's houses have snow on it. Yep. Yeah. This is obviously not a blizzard, but you know, I don't really remember how much inches they said we're supposed to have, but oh shit, I'm already getting snow on my hair. Oh yeah. One last look at the snow coming down now, and I'll update you guys again in a little bit. You see the snowflakes coming down from there. But yeah, I'll update you guys. Alright, it's a little darker now. It's like 4:25 now. It's continuing to snow. The street is completely white. Let's go back to the street. Check where the snowflakes falling down. Yep. Here's the ground. Yep. The street is completely covered in snow. More covered than the last update. Make sure no cars coming because I don't want to get honked at. Yep. Oh crap. I see people. Yeah. It's definitely foggy. Clear the lens, cause yep, the snow plowers are definitely gonna plow the street. Yep. Yeah, I'll do more updates. Yep. See the snow coming down. All right. Again, you can see the snow coming down. I'm gonna walk this way. Got these random ass shoes on that I don't even wear. Yeah, you can see the snow on the ground. I wish the light could turn back on. It just turned off. Yep. It's one of these parking things. Fucking cars. Still snowing. Snow's getting deeper and there's another car coming, so don't want to blind it. Yeah. First snowstorm of 2020-2021 winter. Again, usually it starts snowing in like November or early December, but think the last time it snowed this late here in, I think I heard it was 2013. I know it did in 2012. 2012, the 2011-2012 winter, it started snowing in I think January. Well, 2012-2013 winter, it started snowing in like mid-January. Yeah. Oh, I hate that these cars. Oh, I don't want this car. I'm just gonna zoom in. Oh, I don't want this freaking person in this car to see me. But yeah, you could definitely see the snow coming down. Just look at it. And I think there's a flake on the lens. Yeah, again, look at the snow. Oh god, my hands are freezing. But anyways, guys, I'm going to... oh crap, I'm slipping now. I'm going to update you guys. Maybe a couple more updates. Another update. Now it is snowing harder. Let's go this way. Hopefully the light doesn't turn off. There's a snow plower over there. Ah, this stupid light turned off. Yep, it's getting deeper. I don't know why that light always turns off when I get over there, but I recorded somewhat. I also heard there's possible thunder and lightning. They haven't plowed this part yet. Yeah. Just look at the snow coming down. Huge major snowstorm. Yep. Yep.
In some areas, they could see as much as half a foot of snow.
Yeah, and it's getting worse so quickly. We do have team coverage of the winter snowstorm from the north suburbs all the way to the city. But first, let's begin with Demetrius Ivory, who's busy in the Weather Center tonight with an update. Dean.
Hey there, just thinking about how the reporters underneath me can't wait for me to get to them. Okay, so let's take a look at the winter storm warning, which has been issued by the National Weather Service. All the counties shaded in pink. That does include Lake County and the Boone and Winnebago counties also. That's also where the snow is going to be heaviest. Look here, this is actually a shot here from Western Trails Elementary School in Carroll Stream. Folks on the road there, untreated, and boy, it is not looking good at this time. We're going to go back to WeatherBug real quickly here so we can look at College of DuPage and Glen Ellen, and you just can't see much there. Here's the Kennedy right now. Lots of travel. The cars obviously are going to warm up the roadway a little bit, but you are still talking about some snow-covered patches there along the Kennedy, so that's going to be problematic. Visibilities are way down there, down about a quarter of a mile across much of Chicagoland. So even if you could open up and hit the gas, you just can't see very far. And how about our snow so far? O'Hare, we're creeping up to 1.3, heaviest snow of the season. As a matter of fact, doubling our previous snow for the season. And at Midway, we've seen nearly 2 inches of snow. Satellite radar composite, I'm going to zoom out so you can see Chicago right here. We find snow continuing, especially north and northwest. We are finding drier air filtering in from the bottom portion of our viewing area. What that means is it's not going to snow like this all night. The snow will get a little bit lighter, but could potentially change to freezing rain before tonight is done. More on that in the upcoming 7-day forecast.
All right, Demetrius, thanks so much. All right, so the snow is pretty much covering our entire viewing area.
All right, let's get to those reporters now. WGN's Patrick Elwood, he's up first. He's live at the Lake Forest Oasis along the Tri-State. Patrick.
Lotus and Ray, the roads are getting pretty slick out here along 294 at the Lake Forest Oasis. And on this last Tuesday of 2020, make no doubt about it, that wind is really gusting and that snow is really coming down now.
Usually it starts as a freezing rain and changes to snow, but like 2020, this one's going to be opposite.
That's Algonquin Street Supervisor Vince Kilcullen on how this storm is setting up differently as they prepare to start dropping the salt and plowing the miles and miles of roads, like many other villages and towns throughout the area. They work hand in glove with the county and state crews. It's an orchestrated effort. This storm's multi-layers, and while the pros are ready, people like Rebecca just coming and going from work, well, that certainly presents challenges in and of itself. And she's of the opinion that as it relates to the snow, in the big picture, you could take it or leave it, but mostly, she says, leave it.
All the trucks behind me in the shop are all loaded, ready to go. Plows are on. So we'll be, as soon as the snowflakes fly, we'll get after the roads, and we'll run 2 shifts around the clock.
I like having no snow. I think it's nice. It's been nice for commuting to work, but you know, it's kind of nice that it's coming around Christmas and feels kind of festive. But
So you're still going into work?
yes,
Possibility you might not be going into work tomorrow.
I'm a nurse, so I'll be going into work tomorrow.
We think so.
Either way.
So we've been seeing the snow plows from the tollway regularly along here, but as the snow continues to fall, you can start to see that there's an ice or sheen starting to build up along the roadways, and many people feeling like Nurse Rebecca tonight, take it or leave it. Mostly, you can leave this stuff. Reporting from Lake Forest, Patrick Elwood, WGN News. Back to you guys in the studio.
Yep. All right. Winter vibes. Patrick, thank you. Much snow in central Iowa near Des Moines came down quick, too. The owner of Manny's Diner in Knoxville kept shoveling the sidewalks there, trying to keep them clear, but he says it came down too quickly to keep up much. Well, a couple of minutes later, the sidewalks were covered again. The owner says he had to close 5.5 hours earlier than normal. This, by the way, is the very same snow system that is hitting us right now.
It sure is, and the snow is really coming down in the Chicago area as well, or in Chicago, I should say, where salt trucks and snow plows are out in full force right now.
Yeah, now let's go to WGN's Rob Sneed live along the Kennedy near Hubbard's Cave. Rob, I know the wind is really something else you got to contend with tonight.
I think that would be an understatement. I can handle the snow, but it's the wind that is just making conditions very uncomfortable out here. I'm trying to look like I'm not cold for the sake of TV, but it is cold outside, and anyone standing out here will tell you that the accumulation is starting to occur right now. We have about, looks like a little bit over an inch of snow where I'm standing here in Fulton, and as we all mentioned earlier about the plows coming down, I saw several coming down trying to clear the roads, but that accumulation is still occurring, and it's like as soon as they sweep it out of the way, as soon as they move it out of the way, then you have a completely new layer of snow, which makes things kind of slick for drivers who are passing by here. But you can also see that here on the Kennedy as well. You can see inbound, the traffic is moving relatively relatively smoothly, slowed down, delayed, but when you're talking about outbound, that's where things are stop and go, and traffic is moving 1 minute, then the next minute it is not. I'm sure it's uncomfortable for drivers who are stuck out in all of this. Now, our crews, we were there as crews loaded salt trucks into trucks, rather. Now, salt spreaders will focus on the city's arterial routes like Lakeshore Drive. Now, it's all about keeping the roads clear and safe for cars and buses until the snow stops. Crews, they then plan to put their focus on residential streets. DSS managers, they told us that they manage more than 9,400 miles of roadway. Crews realize that some streets could be worse than others, or maybe even overlooked during this process, and they want you, if you see a problem, if you see some slick spots that need to be plowed or salted, so please give them a call.
311 is your best method. That goes to our dispatch center, who will look at that and get that out, and we'll get that done as quickly and safely as possible.
And speaking of safety, they also want you to be cognizant of the trucks that are going to be out on the road. They say give them enough space to do their jobs. It's certainly hard for a large vehicle to stop on a dime, so do not pull in front of them. Give them their space. Reporting live in the West Loop, Rob Sneed, WGN News.
All right, hurry and get in the truck. Get away from that wind.
Yep. Just continues to snow. Here's the chair. Has snow on it. Table. Yeah. So I recorded some of the news clips. I don't know if I should go there. Oh crap. I just put on my slippers instead of those boots. We're gonna go back to the street right now. Oh, I'm getting snow on my socks. It's just getting deeper and deeper. There was a snowplow that just came through a couple minutes ago. Yeah. Alright, here's another update. Might be one of the last updates I do. It's snowing a little lighter now than it was. It still is snowing. But I did see on the news that the heaviest snow on the radar is gonna go away soon. That was like 5-10 minutes ago. So I think the snow is it's getting lighter. See that car passing by? Yep. But yeah, it's a pretty good storm. Let's go back this way in the light. This is a sensing light on this building over here. But yeah, there's the snow currently as it falls now. Yep, it seems a little bit lighter than it was not too long ago. So yeah. It's not, beating the crap out of me. It's not smashing my face. Or, you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Anyways, there's a couple cars coming, so but it still is snowing. I say I'll probably do one more update. And yeah. Oh god. Had a little scare there, guys, because there was a sheriff's car that was just driving past, and he just pulled over, and I thought he was maybe come to talk to me. I mean, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just filming the snow. Nothing wrong with that. But then he just drove away. So yeah, Gotta be careful though. I mean, it's not illegal to record. It's not recording any private stuff. So, yeah. Alright guys, this is going to be the final update. The snow looks like it's going to be ending soon anyways. It's barely snowing now. It is lightened up a lot. But this is basically, the final clip. Just real light snow, but this will be basically the aftermath. There shouldn't be that much more coming. Yeah. So this is basically all that's shouldn't get too much bigger since it's lightening up. You just saw a snow plower plow through the streets, and yeah. Of course, there's a freaking car coming, but I'm gonna wait till that car hurries up because I don't want to get in its way and have it honk at me. Yeah, people are driving slow, and you have to drive slow in weather like this because it's too dangerous. It's too dangerous to drive fast. Yeah, you can see over here in the street. Yep, you can see it's plowed. But yeah, only if we would have had this on Christmas. That would have been awesome, having a white Christmas. We haven't had a white Christmas in my area probably since 2017. I think that was the last time we had a white Christmas in my area, so... What the hell is that? On that fire hydrant. But yeah. Again, still snowing a little bit, but it should be stopping for good soon, and it's just real light at the moment, so yeah. Anyways, this is going to be the snowstorm video. First snowstorm video of this season of the 2020-2021 winter. And yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this, and I'm going to end the video off with some pictures. And so yeah, I'll do more of these videos, maybe more snowstorm videos. Next time it snows, maybe I'll record it. Vlogs, reviews, rants, any types of videos I do. So bye guys.